Hi guys, welcome to Automation Club, and let's continue on API automation using Protractor and Axios NPM library. So in this video I will show you how to do post request automation in Protractor. So post request is basically used to send the data to the server. For example, while doing some booking on Make My Trip app, we need to fill the form where we need to give the customer detail, right? So that is an example of post request where body request will be required. So that is also called payload, so that will be required in post request. So we did get request, right? Similarly we'll do for post as well. So let me create a separate spec file, spec1.js, and define axios required, then from axios library, and use describe and it block, that is from Jasmine, and here post request test. Then it block post API, use async await combination, okay. Now axios dot post is also available, or directly you can give like this. Give the method name, that is post, and what else, URL, some URL will be there, and then data, this will be the payload, okay. So for we'll use for post API request, we'll use this open API. So this is the URL, copy it and paste. Now we will need body, right? So body is also given, so this is the payload body, copy it and just paste it under data, okay. And then assign in some variable const response, and then print it. First we'll print the status of the response, status. Go to configuration file, change the name spec1.js, and now run it. See the output. So status is 201 for this API post request. Fine. Now we'll see what is coming in the body. Response dot data. So it will give the response body. See the output. So this whole output is the response body, okay. So this one is the response, and as per the website also this should be the response. So this response we are getting through axios. So similarly, if you want to validate the name, right, so you can do that. Console dot log response dot data, and inside that name. So there is no array, so directly you can give it like this. See the output, this is coming Morpheus. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can do post request API call in Protractor using axios and PM. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.